Your client has a deal on the table. And somewhere in thousands of pages of past contracts is the number that changes everything. Today, finding it means hours of manual searching, digging through historical records, cross-referencing old deals, hoping nothing's missed. Time your client doesn't have. With ThinkAutomation and OptimaGPT, just ask, what did this actor earn on their last 3 film deals, including bonuses and back-end participation? Instantly, a structured summary pulls directly from your firm's own documents. Dates, figures, deal terms, ready to use. No data leaves your secure environment. Everything stays within your firm's own systems. Fully private, fully compliant. Your collective firm knowledge, instantly accessible. So, every attorney negotiates with the full picture, and every client gets the representation they deserve. ThinkAutomation. OptimaGPT. Chat with your data. Close better deals.